Alrighty guys, this whip snipper is all done now. So what I did is the old one that the engine is now on my RC car, the shaft and all that on that one was good. The head on the old one, the head that was originally on that one was this, and you can see it's got no like spool in it. This is the shaft from the old one. So what I found out is you can just take the heads off them just by a little clamp that's on there and a little screw. And then I took the main flexible shaft out of it because the one in the clutch model was shorter than the normal one, because the clutch actual shaft goes down this part more, so the actual flexible shaft doesn't have to be as long. So I had to change the flexible shafts out. And then, oh sorry, no I didn't. I was actually doing that before. I was doing it a different way, but never mind. Anyway, I put the head on this one, so I just took the clamp off and then took the other one off and then put this one on. Originally I took this whole thing off and I was going to put that whole thing on there, and I was doing it an extremely hard way, but now that whole head's on there now, so that'll turns alright. And this looks nice as well, you know, it's in really good nick, so this is a good whip snipper to have around the house. So now I'll give it a run. Ow. I really need to throttle it. Yeah, so it runs really nice. That's all working. So, goes really good. Very happy with it. So, the carburetor on this one was originally buggered, so I put a chainsaw carb on there. I just need to get longer fuel lines so I can run the tank to there. And yeah, that one runs really nice too. It's got no fuel anymore, but I already have a video up of that one running, so go watch that one too. So yeah, I made a good whip snipper. One good whip snipper out of two good ones really, but only I needed the engine off. Just needed the engine off that, so all the shaft was fine to use. And yeah, this was $10 cost me to make this whip snipper. And if I were to go buy it, it'd probably cost me about 40, 30, I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and catch you later.